places on Earth that don't feel real? This type of short video is currently a massive trend on YouTube, showcasing bizarrely beautiful locations that look almost unreal. These videos are racking up hundreds of millions of views, captivating audiences with their vibrant, eye-kicking visuals. Take a look at the ones you're seeing here. Each one has millions of views, proving just how addictive this content is. A prime example is the YouTube channel Stunning Space, which has skyrocketed in popularity purely through these shorts. Launched in early 2024, the channel has already gained nearly 500K subscribers and over 200 million total views, all within just a few months. In the past 30 days alone, it has pulled in over 30 million views, which translates to thousands of dollars in earnings with minimal effort. Before diving into the step-by-step tutorial on how to create these videos entirely with AI, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. To begin, open ChatGPT and enter the following request. Give me 5 ideas about real places on Earth that feel unreal. ChatGPT will then provide you with a curated list of extraordinary locations from around the world, places so breathtaking and otherworldly that they seem like something out of a dream. Each idea will come with a vivid description capturing the surreal beauty and unique features of the location. These descriptions will help set the tone for the next steps in the creative process. Once you have your 5 chosen locations, proceed with the next request. Give me a detailed text prompt for AI to generate an image of each idea. With this request, ChatGPT will craft highly detailed and precise prompts designed to guide AI image generation tools in creating visually stunning representations of each location. These prompts will include elements like lighting, atmosphere, composition, and intricate details that enhance the realism and fantasy-like qualities of the scene. After obtaining the AI-generated images, take the process one step further by requesting, "Give me a prompt for AI to animate each image." This step will transform the still images into dynamic, animated visuals by adding movement, depth, and cinematic effects. The prompts will instruct the AI on how to bring the scenery to life, whether through gently flowing waterfalls, shifting clouds, glowing bioluminescence, or other mesmerizing effects. Throughout this process, be sure to save all generated prompts and outputs. These materials will be invaluable if you wish to refine, modify, or expand upon your project later. Next, access Leonardo AI, open the platform, and click on Image Creation to get started. In the Model and Presets section, select Stock Photography Mode to generate highly realistic images that resemble real-world photography rather than digital artwork. Choose an image aspect ratio based on your needs. Paste the prompt generated by ChatGPT into the input field. To enhance realism, add Ultra Realistic at the end of the prompt. This helps the AI create images that look as close to reality as possible. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. The AI will produce 4 high-quality images based on the prompt. Review them carefully and select the one that best fits your vision. Download it for the next step. Try another image by pasting a different prompt and generating a new set. Watch as stunning landscapes and surreal scenes come to life. A particular image featuring a girl in the scene might be a great choice, as it will add movement and dynamism when animated later. Repeat this process for each location, ensuring you have the best possible visuals for your project. Leonardo AI requires a paid upgrade to generate higher quality images, but here's a quick tip to enhance them for free. Go to IMG Upscaler, a free online tool that enhances image resolution. Simply drag and drop the AI-generated image into the platform, then click Upload and Start. In just a few seconds, the AI will upscale the image, making it much sharper and more detailed. Try it with another image, upload, process, and see the difference. The results are impressively crisp, bringing out finer textures and details. Repeat this process for all the images you've created. Download them one by one, ensuring you have high-quality visuals ready for the next stage of your project. Now, let's transform these stunning images into dynamic, moving videos using Runway AI, one of the fastest and most powerful free AI video generation tools available today. Select Generate Video, then drag and drop your upscaled images into the platform. Copy and paste the animation prompt previously generated by ChatGPT into the text box. Adjust the video duration based on your needs, 5 seconds for short-form content or 10 seconds for longer clips. For short videos, I'll set it to 5 seconds while keeping the original image size unchanged. Once everything is set, hit Generate and let the AI work its magic. In just a few moments, you'll have a beautifully animated video with smooth motion and cinematic transitions. If you're satisfied with the result, download it for use in your project. Now, let's try the process again with a second image. Upload it, paste the animation prompt, and hit generate. Within seconds, hula, you have another mesmerizing video where colors shift and elements move with an almost magical realism. Repeat this process for each image, ensuring every scene is brought to life in the most visually captivating way possible. One downside of Runway AI is that downloading HD videos requires a paid plan. But don't worry, I have a completely free way to upscale your videos and boost their quality effortlessly. Head over to CapCut's magic tool using this link. Drag and drop the video you just downloaded from Runway into the platform, then click Upscale. In just a few moments, the AI will enhance the resolution, making your video sharper and more visually stunning, almost like magic. Once it's done, quickly download the upscaled video and move on to the next one. Repeat the process by uploading another video, clicking Upscale, and watching as the details become crisp and lifelike, just as they appeared in Runway. Continue doing this for all your videos, ensuring that each one reaches its highest possible quality before moving on to the final steps of your project. Once you've created all the high-quality videos, it's time for the final step, editing them into a complete short video using CapCut. Import all the upscaled videos into CapCut and arrange them on the timeline in the correct order following your planned script. Adjust each clip to fit the frame properly. If needed, zoom in slightly to hide any watermarks. To enhance clarity and storytelling, create a black background from CapCut's library and place it before each video segment. This will serve as a title screen for each location. For example, if the first clip is about Peru, add text that says Peru, then go to stickers to insert a location pin icon and the Peruvian flag. Position them neatly next to each other and adjust for a polished look. Repeat this for every location in your video, ensuring each country has its own title screen. Once the visuals are set, add a background soundtrack to enhance the mood. Choose either a calm, chill vibe or a grand, cinematic feel, depending on the style you prefer. You can use CapCut's built-in music library or download copyright-free tracks from YouTube. Make sure the music aligns with the length of your video. To make the transitions between segments smoother and more engaging, add sound effects to each location title screen. Subtle audio cues can help build anticipation and excitement as viewers move from one scene to the next. Before finalizing, watch the entire video from start to finish to ensure everything flows smoothly. If you're happy with the results, export your final product, selecting the highest quality settings. Set the frame rate to 60 FPS for the smoothest playback. If you're uploading to TikTok or YouTube Shorts, CapCut also provides direct export options tailored for these platforms. And just like that, you now have a stunning cinematic short video showcasing the most surreal places on Earth. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps and free AI tools, you can create professional and creative videos without spending too much time or effort. The key is your creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ideas and turn them into unique content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future tips. And if you try making a video yourself, share your results in the comments below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.